clothes like I didn't care. Hopped into a cab, take me anywhere. I'm in if you're down to get down.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I've mentioned, 7 wonderful years, 7 years of Thanksgiving, and of course, 7 years is a celebration of life, and 7 years is indeed a beginning of many more wonderful years to come. To all of you, I present Miss Aika Levin L1.
Sana manatiling kay kang ganaka ang pang lambing kay kaming ngari mo kapatid. Happy birthday, Aika. I love you.
Sana magstay pang mabait, cheerful. MO18. More birthdays to come kay Ken Bunso. More than 81, 161. Happy birthday, baby!
Hopefully, ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo. Ang advice ko lang sa'yo, kahit ano yung marating mo sa buhay, keep your feet on the ground.
I wish you all the best in life. Happy birthday.
Doesn't matter when, it's always a good time then.
Doesn't matter when, it's always a good time then.
Doesn't matter when, it's always a good time then.
It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. It's always a good time.
And of course, at this point, I would like to invite all our guests kung pwede tumayo tayo and let us all sing a happy birthday song para kay Aika DJ. Samahan mo kami! Happy birthday to